my people, don't scroll. You can see my balance right now is 32,707,916.95, and I'm going to show you guys how to trade a crypto arbitrage using Binance and Trexbic.app. And so, without wasting time, guys, let's do this. So the first step, guys, you need to do is you need to create your account on Trexbic.app. And after creating the account, guys, you need to come on P2P market. And today, guys, we are going to buy. Buying is very simple because it's easy and it has the shortest risk. So I'll choose USDT, the one that I want to buy, and I'll go direct and choose to buy with this vendor with a rate of 0.8, you can see, and I'll click on buy. So I'm going to put 1,000. I'm just literally showing you how I make profit trading on Trexbic.app and making passive income daily. All right, and remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. So guys, for the test, I'm going to buy 500 USDT, and 500 USDT, guys, you see I'll get a profit of 600 no, that's 131. After fees, I'll get 118, which is 618, paying 500 USDT. And then, guys, I'll click on proceed with purchase. I'll click on pay and then confirm order. I need you to be very careful and you watch me step by step. So guys, as you can see, I've been redirected to a page where I need to pay. Here, guys, I need to pay the vendor, right? You can see they have showed me that I'm paying 500 USDT, getting 630, but after fees I'm going to get 618. All right, so the next step, guys, I'm going to copy this the payment address for the vendor. This is the payment address, and I'm going to my Binance here, and I'm going to click on send. All right, I'm going to send, transfer to add wallet, and then, guys, I'm going to long press my address here and then continue, and I'm going to put the amount, which is 500 as agreed, and then, guys, I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going now to confirm the withdrawal from my Binance, and I'll put my passkeys. As you can see, the screen now is black because I'm putting my password, guys. All right, and so you can see the transaction has been submitted. So here is 500 that has been sent already to Trexbic. So the next step, guys, you need to scroll down and click I have paid. All right, once you click I have paid, guys, the next step here is to wait for the payment. Also, as we wait for the payment, guys, remember, you can trade on Trexbic using AI bots. You can trade using a spot and futures. And also remember, this video is for educational purpose only. But if you follow what I'm showing you right now, you will make a passive income daily in your life. And so, guys, as the God guides you, we are now waiting for the payment to be detected at this level. At this level, guys, you don't need to panic. You just need to be very, very patient and wait the payment that you have sent to be proclaimed. As you can see here, it's monitoring the blockchain for the payment automatically, and you can see the trade has been completed. Remember, guys, if you don't pay, you'll never receive. And you can see I have now paid and it has been completed. So the next step, I need to click on done, and you can see the balance has increased to 2,339. Let me show you the amount that I made. I'll click on the three dots here and I'll go to financial history, and then, guys, I'll click on P2P, and you can see the buy is here. This is what I have done. And so, guys, the next step is to withdraw to your account. And so, because I made 618, I'll click on the three dots, I'll click on the crypto wallet, I'll click on withdraw, guys, and I'll go back to, okay, you can see I have a pending withdrawal here. So what I will do, I will just cancel this pending withdrawal first and then make a different withdrawal, guys. So apparently, guys, when I click on cancel this withdrawal, you can see I can't cancel the withdrawal because the processing time is 20 minutes. So I need to wait for 20 minutes to cancel the withdrawal. But there's no need of canceling the withdrawal that I had before, because I wanted to show you if I can make a withdrawal. If you want to know that you can, the videos that I make here on my TikTok, if you come on my TikTok here, you can see the videos that I have done many withdrawals like this. I have very many withdrawal videos like this, so you can watch my other videos and check how the withdrawal is done. So for now, I'll just end this video here, and I will come back later to show you how the withdrawal is done, or you can just go to my TikTok and watch how the withdrawal is done. So thank you so much for watching, and like the video and share to others. Thank you.